Hey, it's Katina the Broker. Today I want to talk about some do's and don'ts when generating free leads from Facebook for your LiveGood business, right? And again, these strategies, that strategy I showed you on the last video about attraction marketing and so with social media, it works for building and growing any new business. But I want to tell you some do's and don'ts. I want to show you. So this is the number one don't. Now, I had to screenshot it because it did get deleted by Facebook, but what we don't want to do is spam. And some people who might be newer to social media marketing don't know what spam is. So basically, spam is when somebody is on Facebook. Let me just find my Facebook page. Okay, so, when you get those notifications on Facebook, and so this is what happened to me, and I believe it's why I'm shadow banned right now. And shadow ban basically means like Facebook won't show your post. So like my latest video got like 1,800 views, and I think I posted that 3 days ago. This one only 355. That is a really good video about the housing market. But before that, as you can see, I was getting 7K, 10K, 5K, 22K, stuff like that. So when you go from 22K to 300, that's when you know something is wrong. Okay, but so let me get back to the don't. All right. What happened here is somebody from LiveGood went to one of my videos and just started talking about LiveGood and post their link. That is the number one don't. You don't want to openly post your link when you're on Facebook. Like even if it's your own video and you post something, for example, this one, let me show you this one. So this one, I did kind of have a call to action, but when people said I'm ready or I want to learn more, let me just move myself here. So look over here to the right. When people said I want to learn more, or show me or something like that, I always send them an instant message. So let me just show you right here. Click on that person, click on message. I don't think I sent them one yet. So I'm glad I didn't send them one yet. So what you want to do at this point is you go hi, and then you type their name. Now, I usually just do a copy paste, and I do this from my phone, but I'm so glad I didn't reply to him yet. So I'm just going to say, here's the opportunity, right? And then I'm going to put colon, and then http colon / www. So I'm just going to put my, remember I created a custom domain name so that there could never be any confusion. But basically this link right here goes to my LiveGood landing page. So, and you notice that's all I said. Here's the opportunity. Actually I should have said watch the short video. And I'm going to just send the link again since I didn't do it right. colon / www.getmoney2023.com. You could do that or whatever your landing page is. Your landing page would be livegoodtour.com/your username, right? So that's what you do. You don't talk a lot about the opportunity. You let them watch the video because the opportunity video does the talking and the selling for you. So this is what you want to do. Okay. You want to simply post your reel. When people reply and comment on your reel, slide in their DM, send them a message with the short link. That's what you want to do. What you don't want to do is openly just boom, post your link, because here's the thing with social media, Facebook wants you to stay on their website as long as possible. They don't like you to openly post links, right? So that's the reason I think that my page is shadow banned right now and nobody's seeing my stuff. But Here's another do. This is a top to do. And again, Facebook and attraction marketing is the #1 strategy for building and growing your Live Good team. I'm telling you, hands down, this is the easiest way. You just post a 15-second reel and that's it, right? That's what you just saw me do. 15 seconds. I didn't even talk in the video, okay? What else? What other ones? Well, I was talking about something else there, but what else we got? Here's another video, right? Didn't talk again. I just pointed, right? I just pointed. So this one did get a lot of attraction here. 3 minutes or 570 something comments. So I'm sure I didn't get to everybody here and slide in their DM. I know I didn't. But sometimes it's hard. Some days it's easier. Some days it's not. But that's how it goes. So you can just kind of sort them. But okay, so that's what you want to do, right? Another thing that you want to do with attraction marketing on Facebook is if you post something, right? You post something like this. And let me tell you this too. Facebook doesn't really like those Canva posts and all that. You're better off just going right here saying make 2 to 4K per month without quitting your job. You're better off doing it this way, right? Posting and then looking for some sort of fancy background that Facebook has. Let me just find one. Let's find one. Looking for one of the custom, I'll use that. One of the custom Facebook posts. I usually don't post stuff like this because these kind don't get as much attention, but I'm just going to say comment ready. Ready. I'm glad I'm able to do this live. I'm glad I'm able to do this live. So that worked to me, in my opinion. This works better than like using something custom that you created with Canva. But the reason I did this, I just posted this too 8-9 minutes ago, is I'm going to just pin it to the top of my page, right? So that means no matter what I post, this is always going to be at the top, right? So you just pin it. I wonder, can I pin a video? Let's see. I don't think so. Nope. Can't pin a video. But I'm going to just pin it to the top. So now when I post my crazy reels, people are going to see it. And that is a do. That is what you definitely want to do. What you don't want to do is spam, meaning just posting your link everywhere, because people get annoyed. Facebook gets annoyed. That's what you do and don't want to do. So if you would like to learn more about attraction marketing, I am going to put a link in the description box below this video. So all you have to do is check, like say this is the video you're looking at. All you got to do is check under it where it says show more, and you'll see all of the links right here, right? So you can learn more about attraction marketing. And don't forget, y'all, give me a thumbs up on this video so I can post more like it. It really helps out this channel. And I will see you on the next training video. Don't forget, keep on building that Live Good team, y'all. We're going to see some huge benefits in the next couple of months. All right, take care. See you next time.